Betsy's in there painting her little bird house. Very cold. Grass seeds have taken, starting to grow, getting a little bit better here. It's not like it was when we first moved back here a few years back. Section here where the porch was, it's starting to grow, so that's good. And it's just been cold and wet. Piper went to go onto the parade, and we stayed behind. I wasn't too sure if they were actually having it today or not because of the weather, but it's kind of raining right now, wet, cold, but I think it's still going on. So in a couple minutes, if so, they should be coming around the bend, and we'll get a couple shots of the Piper and her friends as they go by. But tomorrow's supposed to be a little bit better, and then Monday, the holiday, is supposed to be like, I think 80. So very, very cold May. I mean, right now I think it's about 51. Real probably feels probably 49 with the rain. So I'm fighting a cold right now, so yeah. Anyway, so let's see where they are. Oop, I'm standing in the rain. I'm gonna wait over here until they get a little bit closer. So just got our lights on, and just kind of hanging out and relaxing. Got some bricks back here. We used to have them kind of in a big square right about here where the old coach was, and when we come back from the lake, we'd use that area to kind of hose off and get all the sand off. So the outside shower is on the other side of this one, so maybe we'll put them over there, and I don't know, we'll see. But that's a tomorrow or next week problem. And then over beyond her here is we got the new mulch down, so, and looking pretty good. Our picnic table is looking a bit on the shabby side. It's leaning and kind of, I don't know, I'm afraid to even sit on it. It's not ours, it's the campground. So I've been kind of talking to Betsy, do we just ask them to remove it? Because I guess they're not going to replace them. So I mean, that one that one, I don't know. Two people sit on the side right here. I think it's going to just break. So I'm like, do we need it? And yeah, when her sister comes up and stuff, we do need extra place to sit when we're out here eating, but I don't know. Anyway, the little planters that Piper made, her little flowers are just now kind of coming up. It's such a cold May that it's just taking everything so long to come out, and we probably should have just bought plants and planted them, but we'll see how it goes. First parade and tractor ride of the year, right?
Oh, yeah, get out of the way.
Yeah. I'm gonna take care of them. Take them out of Hey, Piper. Hello.
I'm hungry.
Huh? Oh, the puppy dog has the best life. Look at that one. Look at that one. Uh-oh. Had the wrong button. It's still recording. Forget that screen shuts off after a bit. No. They probably rode their bikes.
I've never been there before.
Here's their boyfriend.
Oh, she did, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, her sister didn't go. Oh, did she?
What was that? Wasn't that her there? Betsy's making bacon. Yum. What else are you going to be making here?
Oh, I'm going to be doing cheese sticks with our bacon and our hamburgers.
Right. We're
Bacon
gonna do
hamburgers and cheese
a little
sticks.
bit of Daniel's original, and then just a little bit of
Okay.
seasoning. That should be yummy.
Okay.
So, alrighty. And look how sunny it is out there today. We actually have the air conditioning on because it's warm. Alright, I better charge this. So last week, we toured the Breckenridge and Wheeler Fire Department. It's all we really put out for that video. But it also was the 1 year anniversary since my heart attack. Didn't really feel like posting much about that. But I'm doing a lot better. And hopefully I never have that again. People, you need to really listen to your heart and your body. There was signs long before this, and I kind of ignored them. So, when in doubt, check with your doctor. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. Until next time, happy trails.